The protractor can also be used to help us draw an angle. For example, we want to draw a 62-degree angle. Start with a straight line. We now put the protractor into position as shown. This is going to be the point of our angle, so we put the center of the protractor here. Remember to line up the bottom edge of the protractor with the line. We then measure 62 degrees using the outer ring. 62 degrees is just here, so we make a mark on the paper. Remove the protractor and join up the end of the line where we had the center of the protractor and the mark we just made. This angle should be exactly 62 degrees.